Hi, welcome to Data Visualization Fall 2020 at Dartmouth College. I'm Professor Robert Cooper. This class is really about learning how to tell stories through data and through visualizations or pictures. And it's about, honestly, a lot of code in R. As humans, we see line, shape, size, color, texture, design, those kinds of things far better than we see tables of numbers. This class is about translating data into those visual elements that we really understand much more naturally. You'll develop as a coder, you'll develop as a problem solver, and as a creative thinker in data analysis. Data visualization is really science plus art. You're learning how to translate the science into appropriate art forms for human eyes and for human consumption. You'll learn to tidy and organize data, you'll learn to transform data, you'll learn to scrape data from the web, and then you'll learn to analyze those data visually. In terms of visualizations, there's honestly too many forms to count in terms of the things that you're going to learn. Scatter plots, bar plots, rows plots, density plots, histograms, hex bins, maps, choropleths, animated plots, integrated plots, dashboard plots, and that's just to name a few of the things that you're going to learn in this class. I'm going to be honest and upfront with you. You'll develop a lot of skills in a very short period of time. It will not be easy. It is hard work learning a new programming language. There will be moments of anxiety-inducing frustration, followed by cathartic breakthroughs. For most students, sort of that revelation point comes about 2/3 of the way through the quarter. So for most of you, if not all of you, I say have a bit of patience and you'll slip into a good groove for coding soon enough. For support, I have set up 2 tracks of videos for you where you'll learn code, principles, and problem solving in R. The first track will be my videos, which will exist in a YouTube channel, but they will also be embedded, most of them will be embedded directly into the Canvas pages for your direct consumption. In addition, you'll be invited to a free 6-month DataChem account. I've curated a list of videos which track to the assignments pretty much directly, and those will be hyperlinked into your syllabus. Even though the course is asynchronous, I'll offer brief bonus live practice that I will execute during office hours and course hours. And then those scripts will be available for those in Canvas for those who can't attend. The remainder of the class hours and office hours will be a troubleshooting, problem-solving, coding on the fly type session for support of the assignments and topics that are covered in the course. That way you get a little bit of a combination of synchronous teaching, if you want it, with asynchronous teaching, but you don't need the synchronous portion to get a top grade in the course. Most of the course will be made up of weekly assignments demonstrating the skills and the expectations of the course. There will be puzzles in those assignments where you haven't been quite taught everything, at least directly. You might instead be expected to put pieces of logic together from other bits of code in order to solve a problem. You'll have been introduced to disparate pieces of the solution, and you'll just have to combine them correctly sometimes in order to complete a task. In the second half of the course, you'll have the opportunity to show your creativity through 3 labs. These are basically, I'll give you a data set and you'll make your own visualization. You'll be able to create your own design from scratch based on the things that you've learned so far in the course. And I'll evaluate the visualizations according to principles that I will make plain to you at the time. One of the 3 labs will actually be a group project this quarter. And then the final in this course is what I call Mission Impossible style, which is intended to mimic a real-time on-the-job scenario. You'll be given X number of plots and a limited amount of time to replicate them. That's pretty much the course. The rest of the details you can find in the syllabus. I look forward to meeting most, if not all of you, virtually. Take care, stay safe, and we'll talk soon.